The UWANTME Kids Tactical Vest Kit is a product designed for kids who are fans of Nerf guns and enjoy outdoor games with friends. It includes a tactical vest, a dart pouch, a tactical mask, reload clips, protective glasses, a wristband, and 30 refill darts. The vest has plenty of room for storing Nerf darts, magazines, and even small blasters, giving kids a decisive tactical advantage in Nerf wars. The kit also comes with eye protection and sunscreen to ensure that kids are safe while playing outdoors. The vision gear and tactical mask will protect the eyes from harm, and the vest and wristband are designed to keep everything in place during play. This product is perfect for children between the ages of 3 and 14 and would make an excellent birthday or Christmas gift. With over 19,000 ratings and a 4.6 out of 5 star rating, it is clear that many kids enjoy using this product for their Nerf battles. The price is also reasonable, especially with the current 53% discount being offered. Overall, the UWANTME Kids Tactical Vest Kit is a well-designed product that provides kids with everything they need for their Nerf battles. It is durable, adjustable, and comes with plenty of storage options, making it a great choice for outdoor play.